So we're here to test the wind restrictors today before I fit the brand new one that I've bought. So I've got my son with me today who's just helping out because I'm obviously very tall, I'm 6'3", so Dylan's under 6 foot, so you get an idea of the top of my head. It gets quite windswept anyway. So I'm using the same stretch of road. I'm going to take us up to 60 mile an hour and you can just see the buffeting, and this is with the standard fit fabric wind deflector that always comes as standard. "60 miles an hour now with no restrictor whatsoever, and there is a noticeable difference. I think if it was a cold day, I'd be pretty nippy, and I don't think the air scarf would do much. So at this point, we tried fitting the wind deflector ourselves, me and my son. Now, I am not a DIY man, and that came to fruition because I really struggled fitting this to a point that I went on a Wales trip and I had to get some fellow SLK owners to actually help me install the bracket. I'm going to do that as a separate video, as a short video for the installation of this Pippin Wind Deflector, and I'll do it as an unboxing and what have you. But for now, this is actually 5 days later, and yeah, see what you think. So I'm going to do the same stretch of road as we did the other day. It's not as windy today, but let's go up to 60 and see what you think of the differences. I'm still noticing some here, but we'll see if there's any difference when I fit the hoop inserts. It definitely sounds quieter in here. So I thought I'd just quickly better just show you so you can see. So we've got I've decided to go with just a standard Mercedes logo, and then we've got that. He does do the option of putting whatever kind of graphics you want on there, but I've decided just to keep it clear, because with me doing the YouTubing, I want to be able to see anything that comes through, have a clear view. I will say that I'm quite surprised. I didn't actually expect the smoke glass. I thought it was clear initially. That serves me right for not looking correctly, but yeah, I think they look really nice. Right, so time for our final run. Try and get my hair back straight, so you can see how it blows it around. We've got the full inserts all fitted up to 60. It does sound quieter in here with it all in. I can still feel quite a draft coming round onto my neck and shoulders though, and I can't tell whether that's just the way it's coming, the air is coming around. Now I can't tell whether it's just the air that's coming around or whether it's coming in through the gap, which there isn't much of a gap. I will say as well, I'm just very conscious that how far I want to tip the back of the seat, that the seat won't pop the inserts out, because obviously they're only squeezed in. Well, I've got the seat as low down as it'll go, so but yeah, it looks better. I'll be honest, I was thinking about using it to fit my GoPro mountings for the videos, actually fitting it onto it, but I can see the flexing of it in the wind. I can see it bouncing like this, and I can see it in the rear view mirror as well. I can see that, and that's, you know, it's a bit of a distraction. Whether that's what you get on any Perspex one. Obviously some of the more modern, the later modern cars have a half size one, but yeah, end of the day, it does it looks better. It does look better than the fabric ones. My gut says that it probably doesn't make much of a difference in the cabin, because the fabric one does work very well. You are just doing it for the aesthetics. Yeah, probably for this. I can feel that breeze wind coming straight round onto me. But yeah, I'll leave the video there. At the end of the day, it's always up to you. It's your choice whether you want to change it or not. But part of the reason why we all buy convertibles is for the wind in the hair. It's just now time for me to get my hair cut. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. If the video was any good, drop us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you for the next video down the road. Alright, cheers now, bye bye.